welcome. So today we're going to do a haircut. I have 18 years of hairstylist experience. I've got my cosmetology license, and I am going to show you guys how I cut my hair at home. And it just, every time I go to get a haircut, I just sometimes don't like it. I don't know why, but I tend to like what I do. So I will show you guys what I do. Usually you need a comb, a scissors, and a thinning shear. This is actually pretty good. It actually helps kind of texturize and takes out that actual line that you cut. And I'll show you how to point cut as well. So what I normally do is I will put my hair up to the middle, right here, just like that. So this is what it looks like. And then you take the end and figure out how much you want to cut off. I want to actually keep my hair long this time. So we're going to go ahead and cut off maybe that much. Right. So you want to just pull everything forward. And you want to point cut. And a point cut. Literally, that's all it takes. And what you could do is you could split your hair in the middle, pull the rest of your hair, and at the very tip, try to keep it as the same length as possible. And you see how like some are right. Just do a straight cut to give it the same length. And then you're done. And that's it. That's simple. Like, that's how I do my haircut. Let me know if you have any questions. It was so simple. Yeah, okay. See you next time.